Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a turkey inspired by Squishmallows to celebrate Thanksgiving. So let's get started. To draw this cute turkey, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now that I have my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye, but right here we're just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And now let's draw this big beak in between. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a very high curve right in the center, in between the eyes. And then we're going to come to the bottom right here and connect it with a widen out V. So towards the center, and then we're going to go back up. There. So now that we have this beak in, let's draw the wattle. So right underneath here, we're just going to draw a small curve and then a longer curve that comes down. So for a turkey, this bottom part is called wattle, and then there's this top part that kind of hangs over that's called the snood. So I'm not too sure what this is actually supposed to be because I'm just kind of following the Squishmallow turkey, but I think we'll just call it the wattle today. Then from there, now that we're done with this part, let's go ahead and we're going to go to the top. Say the width of your eye. I'm going to go up, say, just kind of imagine where you want to start to put the hat. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And same thing here. Just the width of the eye, go up the same level. And from there, we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve right on top. There. So this is where our hat's going to start. So then from there, now that we have that, let's go ahead and round this part off. And then to create the rim of our hat. So I'm just going to go ahead and thicken this up, following my bottom curve. And connect. Then from there, let's come back to where we started right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw our Squishmallow body. So I'm just going to bring this down. My usual dumpling shape, Squishmallow shape, but just a little bit longer, right? So say about right there, just start to bring it in. Just all up to you how tall you want to make your Squishmallow. There's no wrong or right way, right? You can squish it and make it really short or stretch it and make it long and tall. So about right there, go ahead and start to bring it in and connect at the bottom. So at the bottom it's a little bit flatter. To the center, and then we're going to go back up. So just step back and take a look. Okay, so now that we have this shape in, let's go back up here and draw the hat. It looks so silly, right? So we're going to go back up right here, and the width of the head right here, we're just going to go up and angle. So just drag this across, say about right here. It's easier for my hand to go down on this side. So a little bit higher, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve at the top. From there, let's draw in some details. So right here in the center, we're going to draw this buckle for this pilgrim's hat. So right in the center, we're just going to round off this kind of like squarish rectangle. Come down, and then we're just going to come in here and draw a square or a rectangle right there, and then a curve right here for the strap. Go all the way across and down. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back here and we're going to draw the tummy area. So like all the Squishmallows, they have this tummy area, so we're just going to go round about right here on the other side. So go right up right underneath the beak. Just want to create this nice big curve and bring it back down to about here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back to about right here, kind of like where the eye is. Start right about here, and we're going to draw the wings. So just come out, and about right here, we're going to round off the tip and bring it in. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across so that I'm approximately the same area. Try this. Since I'm drawing pretty big, just say approximate. So about right there. And round off the tip like the other side and bring it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, the most important thing we need to draw are the back, the tail wings, right? So I'm going to come right here, right above the wings, and come right about here. And we're going to start to angle out. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw this angle. And same thing here. So we got our two angles, and then from there we're going to start to draw a bunch of curves that go all the way around. So let's go ahead and start on this side. We're just going to go around, and let's say we're going to end about right here. So 2, whatever you can fit, 3, maybe just 4. Here, fix my curve. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come across on the other side and draw the same thing coming down. So about 4 of them, right? 1. So we're just going to come back to about right here. 2, 3, and 1 more. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we have to draw the lines. So with these lines, just imagine as if there was a point right here. You're creating this shape right here, and everything comes from this center point. So it's going to angle downwards towards the center. So right here, we're just going to come deeper, and then here. So we're just changing the angle, imagining as if the center was right here. You're just drawing these lines to this point. So hopefully that helps. And so same thing here. So if it helps, you can just drag a point right here and then just use this as your guide to go up for those angles. Okay, so then now that we have that, it's definitely a turkey, right? We're going to come towards about, say right here on each feather, and we're just going to draw curve all the way around, and to create another stripe so we can add some color to the feathers. And so same thing here. There. Okay, so then we are pretty much done except the bottom right here in the tummy. Let's add some curves for some indication of feathers. So about right here in the center, I'm just going to add 3 curves for the top and 4 for the bottom. So about right here, I'm just going to stagger it. So if you're coloring this, just use like a darker reddish color for these curves. Then it won't just be black. There. And then let's see here, what else are we missing? Oh, and little feet. Let's add some feet right here. So at the bottom, I'm just gonna come out and just draw 3 curves. Very simple. So same thing about right here. 2 and 3. And last but not least, let's add a heart right here on the side. to make my jaw so cute. Happy turkey to celebrate Thanksgiving. I really hope you love how this turkey turned out and I helped you draw this fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.